Do you ever get anybody asking you if you want to try it out? We did. Welcome to Gear Talk. Okay, so we had a guy called Mark from Top Box Divider, or Top Box Dividers, asking us want to try these dividers out. So here they are, here in the raw state. They've just been delivered 4 weeks ago. We're just so busy. So we'll just tuck right into it and just wait on. I'll get some scissors.
Now, if we were like professional YouTubers, this would be what they call it a box opener, wouldn't it?
Yeah, but
On today's show, boys and girls, we're going to open a box.
yes, Bungle.
But Jeffrey, what's in the box? I don't know, Zippy.
Stop it now. Serious, it's serious.
Okay.
So, first impressions. Hey, yeah. So, we've got the front.
Is it that colour or is that a...
We've got that. I think it's got a film in there,
right.
Stuart. So there we go. So there we go.
All right.
So obviously looking at them, they're your dividers.
Yeah.
As you can see, they've got a coating on there, some sort of plastic coating, but hey, they are strong, durable. So they'll go on the back one, that'll go on the front one, and then obviously they'll go in between to actually separate and divide the top box. Okay. So without further ado, we'll give that a go.
Does it come with instructions?
No. Jeffrey.
All right then.
So, if you
Let
want to
me,
come round here, Stuart, so basically...
So
So,
are they both the same?
No, they're different. So
Right,
they're different.
okay.
So, as you can see, you've got the cutout there. So you've got the smaller for up there. So that fits, I would say, there, a treat. Sit them on both of them there. And obviously we've got the sticky on one side, so we know that's to go on there.
Yep.
Put the aux on.
That looks like fairly thick perspex as well, doesn't it?
It is, it's...
Got to be at least 3 mil, isn't it?
oh, and the rest. Yeah, it's got to be there 5 or 6, hasn't it, would you say?
Get a close up on that. Yes. Yeah.
And you know, the when Mark dropped them off, the knowledge he's got is unbelievable. Not only knowledge on this, but knowledge on bikes, YouTube, the full works.
Yeah. So this was a personal delivery from Mark.
Yeah. He found out about us, so that's on there. Look, and then what we do is we stick that on there. And what I like about this, Stuart, is when you're not using your dividers, it's still out of the way.
Yeah.
You know, it's no further out than you've got your reinforcing bar there.
Absolutely.
Either side. And I think it works really well.
And there's no screws needed either, so it's not going to compromise you.
None.
The waterproofness of the box, is
So
it?
that'll just sit on there, I would think, the other way around.
Are they?
Because you've got...
Yeah, because they're slightly offset of the cutouts.
That's
aren't
right,
they?
so what that'll be then, like, that's for up there, look. So what we'll do is we'll just take that off as well. Yeah, but going back to Mark, what a top bloke, absolutely top bloke, and he's not a million miles from here. Obviously, he lives in Yorkshire.
God's country.
Yeah. And if you can see there, look, it's just...
That's absolutely precision cut, really, isn't it?
It is, yeah, it is. So, that's what we've got there. Then we've got these. I won't take the wrapper off, but... so what
So
you
just
do,
for the fitting purpose.
yeah, so you'll do that in there.
1,
And then bend it in.
2.
2. 1, 2, that's it. And then... and that's it, you're in.
Simple as.
You know, That is just...
So you can have it in 1, 2,
And then
3,
you bend it
4,
out.
5, 6 different configurations then, really, isn't it?
Yeah. And then job done. You know, it's simple and it works.
We like that. Simple works.
If only. You know, if only we could have got our name etched in it like somebody else, but we haven't. Obviously, we're not as popular yet, are we?
Are you listening, Mark?
But also, I don't know if Coffee Pot 2's done out on this.
Oh, the Irish bloke.
That's him. No, it's it's that Scottish guy, Teapot 1.
Bruce!
Bruce. But yeah, so he's only a joke there, Bruce. But it works. But going back to Mark, he did mention he only does them for the 42 litre, I believe the 47 or 48 and the 52 litre.
Okay, and what's the one that you've got?
I've got the 42, but
Right.
he doesn't do it for the Givi round, you know, the round cut, or they're not so square.
They're curved, aren't they?
Yeah,
So
it doesn't do them for them. The best thing to do is just get in touch with him through Instagram.
yeah. We can leave a link in the
We'll leave a
in the
link
bottom
on there.
corner.
But the guy is absolutely diamond guy, absolute diamond. I can't thank him enough for this.
Yeah.
We were only talking about these other month actually, and lo and behold, he did get in touch with us and asking if we wanted to try some out.
It's just so simple, isn't it?
Yeah.
But that really is precision cut. I mean, you know, we can't make any. It's not a glamorous video to try and make it anything other than what it is. It's just a simple bit of kit that works.
And you know, if the amount of times we put the flask in these and you get there and they've rolled about and they're all over, but now it's in there, it'll fit in there a treat.
Yeah. And things like camera equipment as well, which obviously we carry a lot around. don't we?
Absolutely, yeah.
It's going to stop it getting damaged. All right.
But yeah, it's a good old piece of kit and it works. And like I say, when we're not using it, they come out and they stay in.
Job done.
Okay, so a big thank you from Mark from Top Box Divider Man. But also while we're on, Stuart is going to do the Iron Butt Challenge. And it's all for the Poppy, is it?
It's the Poppy Appeal.
Poppy Appeal.
Yeah, for the British Legion.
British Legion. That'll be taking part on the 12th of June. Good luck, Stuart. I did 1,200 miles last week around Scotland and I was tired.
So it's a 1,000 mile bike ride.
In 24 hours.
In 24 hours.
No more, and no quicker than 90.
No quicker than 18,
18
otherwise they know you've been excessively speedy.
Okay, so Stuart's going to take part in that on the 12th of June this year.
Yep.
So let's wish him all the well. He's actually got pay me page.
Yeah, it's a GoFundMe page. I'll leave a link in the descriptions.
That'll be good. But looking forward to seeing the video and the footage of that there trip. What else we got coming up? Oh, he'll be doing the review on the actual bike because we're actually getting a loan bike from Alan Jeffries at Shipley. It's going to be the BMW...
It's the K1600 Bagger.
Oh, that is the Torah of the Torahs, isn't it? The only thing what I'll be worried for you there, Stuart, is nodding off on the bike. Because that is one hell of a comfy bike.
Actually, that's a good idea to get some feedback. I'm sure there's a lot of bikers that watch this channel that have got some serious mileage underneath them.
Yeah.
So I'd really appreciate any kind of tips or tricks or ideas for longevity or to keep me wide awake.
Yeah.
Stick them in the comment section and I'll read them. Don't you worry about that.
Because it's new to us and new to Stuart is all this. He does like his sleep, I won't lie. And this is what I'm worried about. This bike is comfy.
We were supposed to be filming this in the morning and it's 7 o'clock at night.
Yeah. But yeah, let's wish him well and let's wait for that vlog to come back. If you like this, give us a thumbs up. If you don't, give us a thumbs down. either way, leave us a comment. We're here to stay. Catch you on the next one. Bye bye.
Ta-da!